In this WeBWorK TA training video, I'm going to show you how to modify the settings for an assignment. So let's go into the homework sets editor. And this is the way to do it for simplest case where you're modifying the settings for all students for a specific assignment. So let's go into the edit problems interface, which is a bit of a misnomer, or at least it doesn't catch everything that you can use this interface for. So you'll notice down here we can edit the problems, we can move them around just by dragging, so I can change the order this way. I can also delete some of them or view them as well, or edit them. But up here at the top there's a section where it allows me to modify the open date. So this is the date at which students can start working on the assignment. So here I'll change it to, let's say, 16th. And at time, well, let's say late afternoon. And now if I don't click done, then it doesn't stick. So I click done, and that's not even the end of it. So I can also modify the time or the day at which the answers are due. So let's change that to the 6th, and I'll leave it at the same time, nearly midnight. And the answers available, you'll notice that the answers available, if it's later than the due date, that's fine. But if I, for some reason, make it earlier than the due date, WeBWorK will not accept that, and it makes it exactly the same as the due date. I can also change the visibility here and other settings here that I don't often use. So now this does not change the settings. This must be followed by a Save Changes click. And so I'll save the changes, and now I have saved the changes that I wanted to make for all individuals. So you can see here there's a link to change individual versions for individual students, and you can click through there and choose the student that you'd like to change the dates for. But there's another way to make similar changes, and that's using the instructor tools. And in fact, I'm going to leave that to a separate video. So that is a simple method for changing the dates and settings for a single assignment, or for changing settings on individual questions as well, like the weight or the max attempts, etc.